again, you feel the immense pride, honor, the sense of accomplishment, the awesome responsibility that is bestowed upon you as you release this triumphant and profitable moment in your lives. For each of you, your graduation today is perhaps one of the most important milestones in your career. Now, you stand before the noblest opportunity to heed the call of duty and grow as a police professional.
For the past 8 years that we started the training, even up to now, may training din kami. Naniniwala tayo na may pag-asa ang Philippine National Police.
As we move on from this institution, it is important that we continue to draw upon the knowledge and skills we were equipped with and apply them to the world outside. We have been fortunate enough to train at the Model Training Center, and it is now our responsibility to use it to make a positive impact on our communities at Yap.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's a great pride and joy for me to welcome all you in this today's graduation ceremony of the Public Safety Basic Recruit Course Batch 1522-01 sa Dakila. Again, thank you and Godspeed.
I have the honor to present to you the graduating students of NCRTC after having successfully completed the prescribed program of instruction for PSPRC, ready for formal declaration of their course completion. You have inspired us, you have entertained us. Sana karoon din ang ibang crowd later on pag napapagpunta nyo na sa station. You are an inspiration. You have to plant the seeds of goodwill. Bawat patulungan natin. Sabi ko, ang dasal ko everyday is, can I be an answer to a prayer of somebody? The police is the community and the community is the police. Nagsuot lang tayo ng uniforme but we are part of the police, of the law enforcement. Huwag natin kalimutan na yung paggalang natin sa mga magulang natin. Sabi nga ng aking father, the face of a soldier that you are going to meet is a face of your father.
We all know that technology enhances introduction to the personality of human beings. Yet, it can neither surpass nor overcome the introduction to be made by man, especially coming from the bottom of the heart.
If you cut your ties with your parents, ito po yung sinasabi natin na connectivity sa lahat. And if you start connecting to the people with your good deeds, I am sure every names that you have will be remembered. Yung po yung seeds of goodwill na itatanim nyo.
Thank you sa pagpahiram sa amin ng inyong mga mahal sa buhay para hubugin, linangin, para maging kasama namin sa organization, para kaagapay namin at kasama para labanan ang masasamang elemento. I am in capacity as the Chief National Capital Region Training Center. I now formally declare the members of Public Safety Basic Record Course Class 2022-01 Sandakila, composed of 85 patrolwomen who have successfully completed the prescribed program of instruction for Public Safety Basic Record Course. Graduates effective this day. Congratulations.